Today we will do question answers about that. First of all, we will write the date. You guys have to be with me. Don't be too late. Okay. We have to marginalize this side also. Today the date is here, 19th April. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. 19th April, April. Abuzar, don't double the word. Writing should be neat. Give one finger space. Classwork. And day is Monday, Monday, day. Monday. In the middle of the page, you have to write the name of the topic. And the name of the topic, Ishal, start working. Ishal, start working, Ishal. Okay, Ishal. In the middle of the page, you have to write the name of the topic, that is dissolving materials. D will be capital, D-I-S-S-O-L-V-I-N-G, dissolving, M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L-S, materials, dissolving materials. Last time I told you about dissolving and undissolving materials. Today we will do question about that. Dissolving materials are those which are completely mixed in a solution. And in a solution, one thing is solute, one thing is solvent. First of all, I have to tell you what is solute and what is solvent. So today we will do that. Question number 1 is capital W-H-A-T, one finger space, I-S is one finger space, S-O-L-U-T-E, question mark. What is solute? What is solute? And the answer is solute. What is solute? Okay. Question number 1 is, what is solute? Capital S-O-L-U-T-E, solute, one finger space, I-S is one finger space, one finger space, substance, S-U-B-S-T-A-N-C-E. Solute is a substance. Abira, what are you doing? At the end, you will say, I have not done. Hurry up, move your hands. Solute is a substance that can, hurry up, Abira, that can dissolve in a solvent. Now the question is, what is solvent? And that is our next question. Solute is a substance that can dissolve in a solvent. Examples given, e.g. means example given, sugar, salt, etc. And sugar and salt are not only solutes, it could be anything else, okay? It could be green tea, or it could be dry milk that we use to mix in water, okay? I am just writing the example, solute and sugar. Yes? Yes? Wait guys for a minute. Wait Ishal, wait. I will write the question, then I am unmuting you, okay? Don't worry. Question number 2 is, solute is a substance that can dissolve in a solvent. It could be anything, okay? Sugar, salt, anything that we use to mix it in our water or anything. Question is, number 2 is, sorry, W-H-A-T. What one finger space, what is one finger space a solvent? S-O-L-V-E-N-T. Solvent. So the answer to this question is capital A and S. Capital S-O-L-V-E-N-T. Solvent, one finger space is one finger space a liquid, L-I-Q-U-I-D. Okay, last time we did dissolving materials. The materials that can be dissolved in any substance in any solution are dissolving, and those are not cannot dissolve or undissolving. Today, what is solute? Solute is a substance that can dissolve in a solvent. Now, solute can be anything: sugar, salt, dry milk, or green tea, or anything that we use to dissolve in a liquid. Similarly, what is a solvent? Solvent is a liquid. Solvent is a liquid means it could be water, it could be milk, it could be any solution. So dissolving solute in a solvent, we got a solution. When we dissolve a solute in a solvent, the resulting material is a solution. For example, if we dissolve sugar in water, sugar is solute, so water is solvent, and the mixture after dissolving these two things is called solution. Okay. So now